Shiv Sena UBT chief Uddhav Thackeray has extended support to the ongoing protest at Jantar Mantar over alleged irregularities in the NEET examination. Addressing a press conference, Thackeray backed the agitation led by the Cockroach Janata Party and climate activist Sonam Wangchuk. He said political parties should support the movement without bringing their party identities into it. He also appealed to the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi to extend support. Thackeray urged Wangchuk to end his indefinite hunger strike, saying his life was valuable. He said that the centre had remained insensitive despite the hunger strike entering its 16th day. The CJP has been protesting since June 20th, demanding the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and compensation for the families of students who allegedly died by suicide after the NEET paper leak controversy. Wangchuk joined the protest on June 28 and has been on an indefinite fast since then. Thackeray announced that the Shiv Sena UBT would stage a protest in Maharashtra on July 20th, the same day the CJP plans its Parliament march. He said his party's MPs would also raise the issue during the upcoming monsoon session of Parliament. He further alleged that there were reports of attempts to plant infiltrators during the Parliament march to disrupt the protest. Thackeray appealed to protesters to remain alert and ensure the agitation stayed peaceful. Responding on X, Abhijit Dibke thanked Uddhav Thackeray for extending support to the movement at Jantar Mantar.